In the heart of Iran's vast and varied landscape lies a tapestry of culture, tradition, and resilience, woven intricately by the inhabitants of its rural villages. These often overlooked corners of the country hold within them stories that resonate through generations, embodying the essence of Iranian heritage. In this documentary, we embark on a captivating journey to unravel the layers of life in an Iranian village, where time seems to stand still amidst the ever-changing modern world. As the sun rises over the rugged terrain, casting its golden hues upon the sleepy village, the gentle stirrings of daily life begin. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air as women knead dough with practiced hands, a ritual that has been passed down from mother to daughter for centuries. Meanwhile, the men tend to the fields, their weathered faces bearing the marks of toil and determination, embodying a deep connection to the land that sustains them. Wandering through the labyrinthine alleyways, we encounter the soul of the village in its bustling chai khaneh. Here, amid the fragrant steam of brewing tea, men gather to share stories, debate politics, and ponder the mysteries of life. The chai khaneh serves as more than just a place to quench one's thirst. It is the beating heart of the community, where friendships are forged and bonds are strengthened. Venturing further into the village, we discover the vibrant tapestry of craftsmanship that defines rural Iran. In the bustling bazaars, skilled artisans showcase their talents, weaving intricate carpets, shaping delicate pottery, and crafting exquisite textiles. Each creation is a labor of love, a testament to the ingenuity and creativity that thrives in even the most remote corners of the country. Yet, as we delve deeper into the fabric of village life, we cannot ignore the challenges that lie beneath the surface. With the relentless march of modernity, many young people are drawn to the promise of opportunity in the bustling cities, leaving behind aging populations and dwindling communities. It is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between preserving tradition and embracing progress, a struggle that echoes throughout the ages. As the day gives way to night, we are invited to partake in a traditional feast, a joyous celebration of life and camaraderie. The air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of saffron-infused rice, succulent kebabs, and fragrant herbs, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Iran. Around the communal table, laughter and conversation flow freely, weaving a tapestry of memories that will endure long after the night has faded. In the quiet moments that follow, as the stars twinkle overhead and the village settles into slumber, we are left with a profound sense of reverence for the resilience of Iran's rural communities. Despite the passage of time and the winds of change, they remain steadfast in their commitment to preserving the cultural legacy that defines their identity. In their stories and traditions, we find not only a window into the past, but also a guiding light for the future. In Echoes of Tradition, we have embarked on a mesmerizing journey through the soul of rural Iran, where the ancient rhythms of life continue to echo through the ages. Through the lens of this documentary, we have witnessed the enduring strength of a people bound by tradition, community, and an unwavering love for their homeland. As we bid farewell to the village, we carry with us a deeper understanding of the timeless beauty and resilience that define the spirit of Iran. Nestled amidst the rugged landscapes of Iran, its rural villages stand as bastions of culture, each weaving a unique tapestry of traditions, people, and cuisine. In this documentary, we delve deeper into the intricate layers of life in an Iranian village, exploring the rich tapestry of culture that defines its inhabitants. People. At the heart of every Iranian village are its people, whose warmth and hospitality welcome visitors with open arms. Despite the challenges they face, from harsh climates to economic uncertainty, the villagers possess an unwavering resilience and a deep sense of pride in their heritage. Elders are revered for their wisdom, their stories serving as a link to the past, while the younger generation embodies a spirit of innovation and adaptation. Cuisine. Iranian cuisine is a feast for the senses, blending aromatic spices, fresh herbs, and tender meats to create dishes that are as flavorful as they are diverse. At the heart of every meal is rice, cultivated with care and served in countless variations, from fragrant saffron rice to hearty pilafs. Accompanying the rice are an array of stews, kebabs, and vegetable dishes, each bursting with the vibrant flavors of Persian cuisine. Tea, served in tiny glass cups, is the beverage of choice, its warmth and fragrance providing comfort in even the coldest of nights. Please like and subscribe our channel.